Hey everyone, Craig here with CostCertified. Recently, we've made some minor modifications to the quotes that your customers are able to receive. Let me show you how to view these modifications. First, when you're in your quote, you can go up to the preview screen, and this is what you will now see. On the left-hand side, you're going to see this new piece called Selections. This allows your customers to view a table of contents of what's all in the quote itself. They can scroll through just like I am here, and it will actually take you through the whole table of contents. Or if you'd like, you can actually click on a specific spot in that quote and it will take you directly there. So it just makes it a little bit easier for your clients to navigate through the quotes that you're sending out to your clients. In addition to that, we have two other spots. This review all tab here on the bottom left. This will allow your clients to actually just get a quick snapshot of the overall cost and the breakdown without having to go through the entire quote itself. They can break it down, of course, themselves. They can see each of this, for example, on here, each of the fencing locations and the price that's attached. Lastly, the approve button here on the bottom right. When they click on this, again, it's going to pop up with the review items that are there, terms and conditions, and then they can accept the proposal right from this section of the quote.